Good morning, class. In this video, we will study about the rules of addition and subtraction in integers. So, this is your first rule: to add two integers having the same sign, add their numerical value and place the common sign in between them. It means if we are having the two integers, like we are having -3 and -1. These are the two integers. So what the rule says, that if we are having the two integers, see, plus a minus becomes your minus. This is the rule of integers. Whenever the two opposite signs are there, when they are merged, it changes to negative sign. So you can see that the two integers are there, -3 and -1. So just add their numerical value, means 3 and 1 will be added as 4. And the common sign, you can see that common sign is negative. So place the negative sign over there. So -4 will be the answer. Similarly, if we are having +3 and +1, then also you can simply add them. 3 plus 1, 4, and both integers are in positive form. So common sign is positive. So positive will be the +4 will be the answer. This is your first rule. Second rule: if we add two integers having different signs, see, if the two integers are having the different signs, then we calculate the difference, and after that we place the common sign. We place the sign of that integers which has higher numerical value. For example, if we are having +2 and a -5, see, this is the example. Now you can see that we have one integer is positive and other integer is negative. It means we have to calculate the difference. Whenever the integers, they are having the different sign, it means you have to do the subtraction. So just subtract them. Plus a minus merges to minus. So we will just subtract them. The answer will be 3. And you can see that out of 2 and out of 5, which one has the higher, the sign of that integer will come which has the higher numerical value, and 5 is the higher, 5 is having the higher numerical value. So -3 will come. Similarly, if we are having +5 and -2, like this. And another example we are having, in this we are having the different signs. One integer is positive and other is negative. So these two signs are merged. Plus minus, when they are merged, they changes to negative. In this example also we have one integer as positive and other integer as negative. So go for the subtraction. But in this case you can see that the integer which is having the higher numerical value, that is 5, it is having the positive sign here. So the +3 will be the answer. So you can note it down, the difference between these two examples. In the both examples we have done the subtraction, since the different integer, since the two integers are having the different sign. But at the end we have to place the sign of that integer which has higher numerical value. Hope you understand the rules of addition and subtraction. Thank you very much. God bless you all.